So today we're opening the Hornby Rail Freight, look at it, BR Rail Freight VDA van. And there's the thing. So I'm going to open this. I'm sure it looks like. One sec. So here it is in its ice cube. I'll get it out of the cube. One sec. And here it is. It's about 12 centimetres long, I think. This cost me, I think it was about $15.99. Some detail under there, let's see. See, this light's terrible in here today. Right, I will put it on the track and I'll be right back. Here it is on the track, looking good. I'm going to try and couple it up with this. Here we go. Oh, it's going the wrong way. 1 minute. Should have it. Let's see if it goes. And off it goes. Have a little thing. Right, we'll try again, lol. Lol, is that the thing? Oh, going the wrong way again. Here it comes. A bit noisy because I've got a carriage derailed. But there you go, there it goes. I took something with it. There you go, and off it goes. And it's gone. Right, enjoy and like. Thanks, bye. And off it goes. Oh, and here comes another one. We're going backwards. It's the class 20. Going the wrong way. Right, all finished. Bye.